Hello, Paul Hamilton here. Wanted to show you Google Sheets. We in grade 4, 5 and 6 do some spreadsheet and some formulas and some basic graphing and so forth. And a lot of schools are using Google Apps for education now, and I think Google Sheets gives you a viable option to both numbers and Excel. So I'll jump in here. You can see I've done a fair bit. Obviously, one of the great things about the Google environment is our ability to share with our teachers or share with other students so that you can enter data together. And you can see here I've just created a really simple spreadsheet with week 5, week 6, week 7. I've got Monday through to Sunday, and I've got kids to start to put in the maximum temperature for each day. So just a way of going to the BOM website, the Bureau of Meteorology, and actually kind of putting in those different things. And I just wanted to show you a few different things. It's really, really easy to do. Obviously, you just double tap. You can put in the different temperatures. Well, that's a bit unrealistic for the Sunshine Coast. But you can see they're really, really easy to do, and you can put in the data. But what's really, really interesting is when you tap on one of the cells and then you actually drag down, you can see there that down the bottom there, it automatically does a few things with instant formulas. So it's got adding up the temperatures, it's got the average, which is 30.4, it's got the maximum, min, and it counts how many is obviously done. So already there, you can see there that we've got some really, really quick ways of, I guess, analyzing the data, which is a big thing with the digital technologies curriculum. And it's giving us quick looks in regard to those different things. So if I kind of drag across there, you can see the average has changed, the max and mins slightly changed as well, and you've got this instant kind of data collection and sorting. And obviously we can do some other things at the top. We can merge cells, we can clear, we can do some graphing and some different things. We can sort from greatest to least and that sort of thing. But I just love that fact that we can actually click and drag and get some really great data instantly of the information that we've actually put in. So this is great for kids that they can do their spelling results for the week. They could record the amount of goals they get on their basketball games on the weekend. But if you can get kids starting to sort the data and information and kind of look at spreadsheets in a really kind of magical way, kids really, really love creating their own formulas and looking at data in different ways. Paul Hamilton here, signing off.